I don't know if you can tell, but I feel under the weather today and I am so tired. I don't know if I look it, but I am exhausted. And I've not long woke up. So with that being said, I really needed to wash my hair today. It was very dirty. And seeing as I'm under the weather and really want to just finish doing my hair, there's no better time to do the technique that I'm going to show you today. So I have just washed my hair in the shower. The towel that I was using is really thick, so my hair is dried a little bit too much, so I'm gonna add more water. Now the routine that I'm gonna do today is called Lip Coat Scrunch. It is by no means new. I'm sure many of you already do this or maybe have done this at some point, but I learned about this method in the beginning of my journey from a Toya Bass. And I remember I used to really love the results when I did this. I also haven't added any leave-in yet, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of the Florical leave-in. So for gel today, because I really liked my results with this one, I'm going to be using this again today. The best place to do this routine is in the shower. So you would wash your hair, rinse it out, and then after that kind of flip upside down and start applying your product. So I'm taking this much and flipping over and just coating that over my hair. And then this side as well, and the other side. Maybe by doing this routine, I might get more volume because my curls, well, waves are not perfectly flat. And I don't know, maybe I'll get more definition because this is kind of a no fuss routine. I'm gonna add a bit more gel because I did learn with this gel that you can be quite generous with it. I don't know if you can tell, but because I haven't like brushed out my hair properly before I added the gel, I do have some frizz going on. Atoya, the woman who I learned this from, she really likes frizz because she has wavy hair and frizz adds volume. It looks natural. Sometimes frizz can be, you know, quite villainized these days. Frizz is natural, so I love that she just likes to embrace that. I'm adding more water because I want my hair to be a little more wet for this. And also if you have too much frizz and you're not liking it, then adding more water may kind of fix that a little bit also. And now I'm using my towel to remove any water and excess gel. You can see that my clumps are getting quite thick. In Atoya's routine, she goes straight to diffusing because, I mean, she owns some hair salons, so I mean, they can't really be waiting around for half an hour with their towel in their hair, I assume. So yeah, she goes straight into diffusing, but I'm gonna put my hair up in this towel while I go and put on a little bit of makeup to try and make myself feel a little better. So I finally got done diffusing. Despite using so much gel, I don't really have that much of a cast. I feel like my hair kind of looks different to usual, like some of the pieces are more wavy than others. I'm so tired, so I'm probably going to be rotting on the sofa for the rest of the day. Thankfully, I do have internet again now, which is a relief. So I'm going to use the Coco and Eve hair elixir just to kind of scrunch and fluff my hair because I'm going to be lying down for the rest of the day. So we want to protect against frizz. Ooh, I'm loving how this looks. I feel like this looks so natural and effortless. The definition looks really good. I feel like I've already got quite a lot of volume, more so than usual perhaps. I love how it turned out, and this was so quick to do, minus the diffusing. Course. Let me know in the comments what you think of my hair today. I think it just goes to show that we don't need to overcomplicate things. So I will definitely be doing my hair more like this in the future if I'm in a rush or can't be bothered spending a long time styling. And I just love how natural and effortless this looks with, I don't know, all the different sized clumps and all the different waves that I have going on in my hair. hair. Look at this piece. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little short and sweet tutorial. I'm gonna go and be lazy now, so see you in the next video.